Let's learn how to fix CapCut not working. So this may be a common problem to someone. If you are looking how to fix that, I will help you, don't worry. Just follow my steps. It's actually very quick and easy. Most of time this method will be enough to fix your problem. So without wasting your time anymore, let us by opening your CapCut first. This both works on Android and iOS devices. When you opened CapCut app, go to your settings by tapping on this gear icon in top left corner. If your screen, once you did that, it will lead you to CapCut settings page. It's pretty simple designed. So now search for this clear cache option. Tap it now and pop-up will appear. Asking do you want to clear cache? Just tap on this blue confirm button and your app data cache will be cleared. If you did this and it still doesn't work, you can also try to offload the app from settings. So let's do that too. Go back to your home screen and from there open your settings app. When you did this, find the general section and go there. When the page loads, you will have to go to iPhone storage option that will open and show you the list of every app on the phone. Search for CapCut app, and when you find it, tap there. When new window appear, just tap on this blue offload button. When you did that and pop-up will appear, just confirm it. An app will being to reinstall. When it finished, you can use it again. Cache memory is gathering in background, so it causes to worse app performance, and Studer's clearing it. You will free an app from unnecessary memory. Offload will make it reinstall in some way and restore the app, so this should get your app working again, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.